In France, health workers have been the first to receive the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. France, like many of its EU neighbours, is only administering the drug to people aged 65 and under. A total of 273 doses were distributed on Saturday, with another 304,800 doses expected next week.
I thought that this was a chance to get vaccinated, so I'm benefiting from it. Here at the hospital centre, we have that option.
Spain has also received its first batch of the AstraZeneca vaccine. On Friday, it became the latest country to limit the jab to younger people due to a lack of data on its use amongst the elderly. Spain has so far given 1.87 million doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, mainly to healthcare workers. Now, the Spanish Prime Minister, Pedro Sánchez, had set a target of having up to 70% of the Spanish population vaccinated by the summer. Now, the third wave of COVID-19 infections looks to have slowed here. However, the country still expects to pass the 3 million mark in terms of COVID-confirmed cases in the coming days. The shipments of the vaccines across Europe come as Germany's finance minister slammed the EU for not ordering the drugs earlier. Europe lags behind the United States and Britain in administering first doses. Around 4% of Europe's population has had a first dose, compared to 11% of Americans and 17% for the UK. Finally, in Italy, police broke up a gathering in Milan on Saturday. Even though the Italian government had eased COVID-19 restrictions days earlier, this overnight party in Duomo Square was still deemed illegal. Meanwhile, in Venice, the annual carnival celebration may have been cancelled, but around 50 revellers gathered in St Mark's Square wearing decorative masks. This year, the face coverings are worn as much to protect as they are to amuse. Rahul Pathak, CGTN, Madrid.